Hello friends, this is Rajesh here from Technology Aid. In this video, I am going to unbox Kenstar mixer grinder. Model name is Axe 3S mixer grinder, 500 watts power. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars, smart sensor technology, and Enduro long life technology. Brand name is Kenstar. You can see this. If you want to read the full specs, pause this video and you can read all the specs. This is the Kenstar mixer grinder. Price written on the box is 3,295, but you can get this product for 13 to 1400 rupees in flipkart.com. If you want to buy this product, I will leave a link in the description. And this product is manufactured in the 2015 year 12th month. Now this product is checked by the company people. Now I am going to unbox this product. If you buy this product in retail market, you will get this product for around 3000 rupees. But if you buy it online, you will get 1500 to 2000 rupees discount. This is instructions manual and warranty card is given. These are the jars. It comes with 3 jars. You can see. This is the knife. And this is for juicer. Different cups they are given. You can make chutneys, juicers, and this is one more jar, stainless steel. And nothing is inside the box. Without much ado, I am opening the mixer. It comes with suction cups. These are the 4 suction cups. When you put it on table, it locks. This is the suction cup. And this is another jar. They have given 3 jars along with this product. I will show you the jars to you. These are the 3 jars. And one knife is given. And one instruction manual is given. Now I am going to show you this product is working or not. And one good thing in Flipkart is, if the product is not working, we can replace this product within 1 month. I like the Flipkart replacement policy. But when you buy this product in retail store, they won't replace it and it takes more time. And this is the power cable. Finally, I opened the cover. This is the plug. I am connecting this plug to my power. It is working. It has 3 levels: 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is working, no doubts. Let me show you the internal process. You cannot see the blade, it is okay guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye, take care.